how's everybody doing? Danny Schaefer back with the first video of 2020. It's Saturday, June 6th, and we're up here on top of CHILCO Mountain out of Athol, Idaho. Got two really cool views in the background. One kind of cool view of Lake Ponderay and the coolest view of Tessa with a really bright backpack down below. The hike's been pretty good so far. It's kind of a cloudy day, but made for a really cool view. There's about a 20% chance of rain for the time that we hiked this, and thankfully it's held off and we haven't gotten downpoured on. So before it happens, we're gonna hang out up here for a little bit longer, maybe eat a snack, and then head down. Super cool. Hope everybody can see that view in the background. But yeah, hope you guys all enjoy the video. First hike of 2020, and thanks for tuning in.
Bring your hand on it.
You can do it.
I can't do it.
You can do it.
I can't do it. I worked too hard.
We're getting the winter fluff off on this one, right? I'm getting the winter fluff off.
You better not just told me I have fluff.
You have no fluff.
I don't.
I have the fluff. All right, so I think we're getting pretty close to the top. What, I dropped your bag?
Yeah, right next to some slush.
Sorry. Yeah, I think we're pretty close to the top. It kind of opened up with a really nice view of, I guess, Athol down there. I think we're looking west. Yeah, so probably not too much further and we'll be to the top of CHILCO Mountain. Getting close. I think we can see the house. Yeah. I think it's right.
Just take a shortcut and
go home? Probably. Ready to keep going?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's go. Mm-hmm.
Okay, I feel hopeful that I can do it.
All right, so we're on our way down from Chilco Mountain. We've spent only about probably 10 or 15 minutes up there. Really just kind of ate a snack, and we're heading down now because it's getting a little chilly. The wind kind of picked up and it's looking more and more like rain, so before we get dumped on, I figure we might as well make way for the truck. So probably shouldn't take too long to get down there, only about 30 or 40 minutes, and we'll see you down at the truck. Ow! Ow! That one hit me in the face. Stop. No. Ow! Ah! Ah!
My aim's getting better.
You throw like a girl. What? Ow! Ow! Fuck. So we're just back at the truck. All in all, let's see, what did it take us? It took about, I logged 4.12 miles in 2 hours and 30 minutes, and that's the entire time. So the time we spent up at the top and taking breaks and stuff, because Lord knows we took a lot of breaks. But what'd you think?
Not my favorite,
Okay.
but it was okay.
Scale of 1 to 10.
Like a 6.
6?
Like a solid
Nice. I'd put it at like a solid 7.
6. You
But
have low standards.
but I thought the view at the top of Lake Ponderay looking down was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Especially if you're being like local and only like 30-minute drive from where we live. Anyways, pretty good hike. First one of the year. We got it done. And hopefully it's a good warm up for what we've got to come in the rest of the year, because we've got some pretty cool hikes and trips planned. So with that, I guess we'll end the video here and call it a hike. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one.
Or a handshake.
Oh, handshake.
Ow.